All right, today we're going to tackle a small project that has a massive impact on your online presence. We are building a professional, slick, and, best of all, completely free link in bio page. You ready to level up your digital brand? Let's dive in.
You know the feeling, right? You're on Instagram, you're on Twitter, and you get exactly one single link in your bio. But you've got your LinkedIn, a portfolio, maybe a blog, that new project you just launched. How are you supposed to fit your entire professional world into one tiny little link?
So, what most people do is play that awkward link swapping game. One day it's link in bio for my new article. The next it's check out my portfolio. It's just clunky, it's inefficient, and let's be real, it doesn't look super professional. But the good news is there is a much, much better way to handle this.
And that better way is a much more elegant solution. It's all about creating one single permanent home for all of your important links. Think of it like a central hub that represents you professionally, no matter where people find you.
So, what exactly is this thing? It's a link in bio page. The absolute best way to think about it is like your digital business card. It's just a simple one-page website that works as the main landing page for anyone who wants to find out more about you and what you do.
And here's the best part. You do not need to be a web developer to build one. The secret weapon we're going to use is a no-code tool called Card. It's just perfect for this, because it hits that sweet spot of being super simple to use, the results look really professional, and you can build up to 3 different sites completely for free.
Okay, let's get to the fun part. I promise you, this whole thing is going to take you less than an hour. So maybe grab a coffee and let's actually build your new online home step by step. So here's the game plan, and it is incredibly simple. We're just going to follow 4 steps. First, pick a look you like. Second, add your basic info. Third, create the all-important link buttons. And finally, you publish it. That's it. It's a really straightforward process. All right, so once you pick a template and card, you'll see the page is built with these little things called elements. It's super intuitive. You literally just click on the image element and you can upload a professional headshot. Then you click on the text element to type in your name and a short, punchy bio, something like content strategist or software engineer. Now, this is the most important part, the whole reason we're here, right? To add your links, you're going to use the buttons element. For every single button, you just fill in 2 things. The label is just the text that people will see on the button, like my LinkedIn profile. And the URL is where you paste the actual link. You just do that over and over for every link you want to add. See, adding the links is easy. But that brings up the big question. What links should you actually add to this thing? Because knowing what to include is what's going to make the biggest professional impact. Okay, so here are some must-haves. You got to start with the basics. Your LinkedIn profile and your online portfolio are pretty much non-negotiable. Then you can add some personality with a personal blog or maybe your professional social media account. And if you really want to make a power move, add a direct link to your latest project or even a book a call button to turn those visitors into actual connections. So you've added your picture, your bio, all your important links. You're ready to go. This is the final, and honestly, the most exciting step. Let's get your brand new site live on the internet. And publishing is just as easy as everything else. You're just going to click that publish icon, add a quick title and description, and then you get to claim your URL. Quick pro tip here, try to get yourname.card.co. It just sounds clean and professional. Once that's done, you're ready for the magic button. And that is it. Just like that, you're live. Your personal, professional landing page is now officially on the internet, ready for you to share. You've now got one single clean link to put in your Instagram bio, your email signature, absolutely everywhere. So let's just pause for a second and think about what you just did. In probably less time than it takes to watch a movie, you've given yourself a major digital upgrade. This isn't just some small tweak. This is a huge improvement for your online brand. Think about it. You didn't just build a page. You built a command center for your entire online identity. Instead of making people wander all over the internet to find your stuff, you've created one single, powerful destination that you are in complete control of. And the impact of this is huge. It sends a really clear signal to recruiters, to clients, to colleagues. It tells them you're organized, you're tech-savvy, and you are serious about your professional brand. Honestly, for less than an hour of your time, it is one of the smartest things you can do for your career. So now you have this powerful tool to shape your own narrative online. The real question is, what story are you going to tell with it? For more practical guides just like this one, make sure you reach out to www.multigyan.in. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Multigyan YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.